Hi guys, welcome to another episode on Be a Ghanaian. My name is Selim, and today on Be a Ghanaian, we are going to learn how to prepare spicy rice drink, also known as Lamugee. Let's go for a quick break. We'll be right back. Welcome back. To prepare our spicy rice drink, we need our soaked rice. This has been soaked overnight. Dry red pepper chili, red peppercorn and ginger, grains of Selim and cloves, sweetener, so you can use honey for this. To prepare our spicy rice drink, we first need to blend our spices separately and blend our rice also separately. Okay, so first I'll begin with blending the spices. So I'll add my dry red chili pepper. I'll add my ginger. And I'll add my grains of Selim. So I'll add water and blend. So we've blended our spices together very well. Next is to blend our rice. So blend our rice, but I'll drain the water. I'll scoop my rice into the blender. You have to soak the rice so that it becomes very soft for blending. So I'll add water to the rice in the blender. So our rice is well blended. So we are going to strain it. So we have our blended rice, we have our blended spices, and we have our sweetener. We'll fetch our spices. We'll fetch our spices into the blended milk and we'll add our sugar. You can add more spices or sugar to taste according to the way you like it. Okay. Then we mix. Our juice is ready, so you can add more spices or more sweetener the way you want it. Okay, so we are ready to serve. You can add ice cubes to it. Our spicy rice drink or Lamugee is served. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching this episode. My name is Selim. Kindly leave a comment below, like and share our videos. Cheers.